From the KATC Weatherland, here's Rob's forecast.
Welcome back. Well, milder temperatures on the way for the weekend, but unfortunately, like last weekend, half of it is going to be soaking wet. This time around, it's going to be Sunday. Tomorrow's your outdoor day if you need to do some yard work. I still have some stuff to pick up from Tuesday's weather. That's what we'll be doing tomorrow for sure, and it will be milder. That's the nice factor going into tomorrow. So let's get to it and take a look at this water vapor pattern as we've been tracking this low crossing the Pacific, and the last several systems that have impacted us have carried more water than the models have been indicating. So we're a little nervous about the possibility of some localized flooding as we head into Sunday, particularly because our models are going for already a soaking rain. I mean, they may be underdoing it, so we'll see how it plays out. But this is going to get caught in the subtropical jet stream, which is right overhead, which stays overhead through the middle part of next week. So an unsettled weather pattern for the better part of the next week. As we look at the big picture across the U.S., snow up to the north, but our action all with the subtropical jet stream and high pressure now that is pushed off to the east, allowing for return flow out of the Gulf of Mexico. Thus, the clouds are marching slowly north and eastward, and that trend will continue tonight, and that's going to keep our temperatures from getting too cold. Now, one thing we haven't been able to talk about recently is the river flood warnings from all the rains recently. We have a number of rivers in minor flood stage for the most part, but it shows you that our grounds are pretty darn saturated, so additional rainfall is going to be problematic. In Acadiana, we have the Mermitaw, the Calcasieu in flood stage, and the Sabine River as well. So we'll continue to watch how this goes for the rivers down the line. In the near term, though, it should be dry overnight tonight. I have 5% in the rain chances for tomorrow and also for tonight and tomorrow. Might see a sprinkler or two as we get toward tomorrow morning, but overall should be dry. Hopefully a few breaks in the clouds tomorrow afternoon. We'll see our readings getting into the upper 60s to lower 70s. By the way, this is the very latest model that we have, the newest model run, 0Z run that comes in during the evening hours. So your data is fresh here. And notice showers and storms kicking up in the models as we get closer to the event are really showing what we think we're going to see. Widespread showers, some embedded thunder as well, and activity beginning to taper into Sunday evening. The HRRR model only gets us to Sunday at 6 p.m., but we'll look at the rainfall in just a bit. In addition to the rainfall, marginal risk of an isolated severe storm that could produce damaging winds or hail. Can't rule out an isolated tornado, but this is on the lower end scale for a severe weather risk going into Sunday, but another thing that we'll have to watch. So here's the HRRR model. Again, this only gets us to about 5 o'clock on this particular product, but notice across Acadiana, a stripe of 2 to 4 inches of rain, and some spots, you see this yellow right in here, that's pushing some pretty heavy rain totals. So we'll say 2 to 3, but isolated 3 to 6 will be likely in a few isolated spots. Compare with the graph model. This is the latest graph model. It's going for the heavier rain to the northern portions of Acadiana, but you get the same idea. Big red stripe across the area of several inches of rain, and the cruder, but still pretty good model, the GFS model, showing that heavy rainfall axis through Acadiana. So it's going to be a soaking wet Sunday for sure. In addition to the rain, before the rain gets here, the winds kicking up tomorrow afternoon. They'll be gusting in the 30 to 35 mile per hour range, and in most spots will be about 25 to 30, but it's going to be a breezy day for our Saturday as well. Temperature wise, we're holding in the 40s, rising to near 50 by daybreak. Then tomorrow, upper 60s to lower 70s in the afternoon. Tomorrow night, we stay in the 60s, so that's a big change. And then going into Sunday, upper 60s, lower 70s, but we'll have those showers and storms likely across the area. So overnight tonight, not as cold. Clouds gradually increase from the southwest to the northeast, and those east-southeasterly winds picking up just a bit as we get closer to daybreak tomorrow, and then the winds turning around out of the south-southeast, and we'll see them gusting up to 30 tomorrow afternoon. You can hear the wind wisping in the background. We're adding a little special effects there for you. But again, clouds dominating, but a few breaks in the clouds during the mid part of the day. And then Sunday's the indoor day. Showers and storms likely, 2 to 3 inches or more likely. Of course, meteorologist Bradley Benoit will have the very latest and more succinct rain forecast totals for you tomorrow on Acadiana's news channel at 6 and 10. Unsettled pattern into the middle part of next week, and maybe more heavy rains Wednesday, Thursday. Thereafter, drier, we hope, and a little bit of a winter chill moving into the area as well. That's it for weather for right now. We're going to have more coming up right after the break.